welcome to my life. Today, let's leave all the noise behind and escape to nature with me. We'll explore, meet some adorable animals, and enjoy the symbol from life. It indeed feels like a completely different world already, even though we're only less than an hour away from the city. Isn't that crazy? No blaring horns, no smog, no funky city smells. Just birds chirping, the breeze rustling through the trees, and that amazing sense of fresh air. I've been a city girl my whole life, and it can be really hectic. It's like a constant loop of work, work, and more work. A classic 9 to 5, just like everyone else. The city is always so loud, drowning out even the tiniest sounds of nature. I never really had a chance to slow down, to be around animals like this. It's crazy to think like all humans used to live like this, except, way more hardcore and probably way bloodier. I almost feel like I'm bonding with my grandparents right now. There's so many plants in here. Oh, plants. I've never been good at taking care of you guys. Never giving you much thought. Never seeing you as anything special. Sorry. But it's because my family never had a garden, and I've never really nurtured the plants in my whole life. City life makes everything feel like a blur, always rushing, always moving. That's why I've spent so much time chasing things without really knowing why, caught in a rhythm that never truly felt like my own. I've always known that flowers are so beautiful. I mean, look at them. Who could ever deny that? But one thing I never liked about them was how fleeting they are. One moment they're in full bloom, the next they start to wither. It's like a quiet reminder that nothing lasts forever. And honestly, that thought used to scare me. But now, being here, surrounded by flowers, breathing in their scent, feeling the delicate petals between my fingers, I get it. Flowers aren't meant to be forever. They're here to remind us to stay in the present.
Cúc này cái cọng cúc lấy cái cúc khác á. Cái mố đường này.
Dạ, làm vậy để sơi đất hả chú? À, dạ. Dạ. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but Growing up, Mom always tell me to eat more fruits and veggies. They're good for me, I know, but living in the city makes unhealthy food way too tempting. Just like flowers, they're full of life. Each one is unique. Some are big, some small. Look at the difference.
Why?
Some with soft, delicate skin. Others have tough, spiky armor like this little guy. Pineapples. Look how cool it is. Smells amazing too. They grow at their own pace, in their own way, yet each one has its own kind of beauty. I think it's time I eat more fruit. My body deserves it. Plus, if nature put this much effort into making them this beautiful and nourishing, the least I can do is appreciate them properly, right? Dairy cows! They look so chunky in real life. The first time I ever knew about them was from the milk my mom used to buy for me. Is it weird to think like maybe if I drank the milk every day as a kid, does that somehow make them become my second moms? Either way, I feel like I owe them a big thank you. So, thanks, cows! Okay, Miss Moo, I've got some questions for you. First off, what's your daily routine like? Four stomachs? No way! So you're basically living the ultimate eat, sleep, moo, repeat life. Oh, and I just realized no two dairy cows have the same spot pattern. Like you are more white than the others. No offense though. So why does that happen? Miss Moo? That's so cool. I had no idea. Okay, so what else can you do that would totally surprise us? That's insane. Okay, last question. If you have a message for everyone who's watching, what would it be? Got it. Hello, sir. Got a minute for a quick interview? Okay, so I've heard you guys screaming too many times today. So why are you guys so dramatic? Okay, okay, got it. Got it. Okay, so tell me, can people keep sheep as pets like cats and dogs because you guys so cute? Okay, fair enough. So, last question. If you could switch life with any other farm animal, who would it be? Got it. Thank you. Oh my gosh, look what we have here. Horses! They're so cool, just like in cowboy movies. Thanks to their springy leg tendons, they can run super fast without barely feeling the impact. But here's the wild part. They have insane memories, so if you're nice to them, hello, they'll remember you forever. But if you're not, uh-oh, they definitely won't let it slide. Scary. They may look all big and tough, but deep down they're just sensitive boys. Their skin is so delicate, they can feel a tiny fly land on them, which explains all the tail flicking and twitching sometimes. And get this, they can read our facial expressions and form real friendships with both humans and horses. So basically, they're just big emotional softies wrapped in muscle. So cute. Yeah.
Đường cứ bình thường rồi thả vô luôn, đừng có giật giật lại tưởng có đánh hắn là nó sợ.
Yeah. Bunnies! They're so cute! They don't feel real. Do you know that you can tell how they're feeling just by looking at their ears? If they're standing straight up, that means they're on high alert. Oh, don't fight! Tilted back like this, they're chill and relaxed. Flop down is either peak nap mode or a bit moody. Oh, and get this, their eyes give them 360-degree vision. That means they can see almost everything except for what's right in front of their nose. Oh, and here's a little secret. Bunnies eat their own poop. But it isn't as gross as it sounds. They produce special soft droppings called cyclotrophs, packed with extra nutrients. We eat them for a second round of digestion. It sounds like an infinite food glitch, doesn't it? Hello, cuties! Any tip for looking this adorable? Thank you! Chickies! Tiny dinosaurs. DNA studies show that chickens are the closest living relatives of the mighty T-Rexes. Who would have thought? Oh, and get this. Chickens can experience REM sleep just like humans, meaning they can actually dream. But what exactly are they dreaming about? Oh, and here's the real shocker. Chickens can actually understand numbers and can even do math. I mean, basic math, but even smarter than some of us before morning coffee. Hello, sir. How did it feel back to the time when you ruled the world? Thank you, sir. Shh. Those are mommies. They're protecting their children. Don't disturb them. I hope everything goes well with the new babies. Try not to scare them. Please don't go. And lastly, we have this little... Lastly, we have these cute little buddies. Duckies! Thanks to a special oil, their feathers are completely waterproof. Have you ever seen a wet duck? Nope. They're built different. And guess what? They're the farm's biggest yappers. They have different quacks for everything. Greetings, warnings, and of course, hot farm gossip. Oh no, they have to go home. Bye-bye, duckies. Hello, Miss White. What's all that quacking about? Talking to these animals was so much fun. Now, I just want to spend the rest of my day soaking in the sounds of nature and this endless blue sky. It's so refreshing. At least the sky, ocean, and rivers are still untouched by humans, right? Just imagine if we could live under the water like fish or fly in the sky like birds. They probably start building cities there too. Nothing you know, there'd be traffic jams in the sky and fish stuck in rush hour. Now I just want to be a farm girl forever. But reality calls. School, work, family, friends, everything's waiting for me. So I gotta head back to city life. But today, I made so many friends, some with 4 legs, learned a lot, and saw the world from a whole new perspective. I really hope you guys can take a break once in a while. Just get away for a day like I did. Trust me, you'll come back feeling refreshed, recharged, and full of life. Nature is always here, waiting for us, so don't get too caught up in the rush, okay? Thank you for sticking around and listening to me yap. I'll be back with more fun videos, so don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. I want to hear what you guys think. Stay tuned for more of house life. Goodbye, see you soon. Miss Moo is scratching her neck.